All right, you know the struggle of trying to find the ends of tapes. This is a tape edge finder, and it's actually even cooler than what you might think, especially on the clear ones where you cannot see where the edge is. Obviously, if you can see the edge a little bit, you can use this thing to scrape it up. But this actually has a little sensor down here and a red light up here. So when it actually hits that tape edge, it actually blinks red. All right, so if I'm looking for the tape edge, watch for that red light. Let's see if it goes. There it is, right there. See, it went off. So notice the tape edge is right there because it has that sensor. And then you can use this edge right here to kind of help get that bit of tape open, and you're ready to go. It's that simple. It's actually really genius. We've all struggled with trying to find the edge of tape, and probably there's some tape that we've thought we had the edge to, and we created a whole new tear in it. But yeah, this is awesome. I also like how the design is right here, so you can even kind of use your finger to kind of help guide through it or get a little bit more leverage onto the tape. But it's really cool. Love the colors. I feel like this should just be in every garage. So I highly recommend it, and thanks for watching.